Fredrik coming at you with another video. Tonight we're at the beautiful Bellagio and I'm going to take you on a 4K walking tour of the conservatory. They've just recently updated all the design in there. It is absolutely beautiful and you're going to love it. So we're going to get started. We're going to head in there now. I know I've been promising this for a while, but here we go. But before we go, I'm going to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and especially hit that bell button to get notified when I drop new videos, and especially when I go live, which is 2 to 4 times a week. And if you'd like to support the channel, you know what to do. You can click on any links in the description below. So let's do it. Welcome back. I figured we'd take a quick walking tour through the lobby before we get into the conservatory. This is a part that people tend to miss, so I thought I'd show it to you before we go in. Whatever's going on in the conservatory, they mirror it out here at the check-in. Isn't that beautiful? It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Hopefully there's not too much copyright music in there, otherwise I'm gonna have to replace with something of my own. Look at that, that's gorgeous. That's like gorgeous, like 5 times. But I can't help it because it is. A lot of people checking in for a Wednesday night.
I'm taking a picture.
And they do the same out here. They try to change this as often as possible too. A lot of people never notice the ceiling. That's pretty. I didn't say gorgeous, I said pretty. All right, which side should we go? Wow, there's a lot of people, but I got my pole with me, so I'm gonna whip my pole out. And we're gonna go a little aerial. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Sort of a jungle theme. From what they've said, there's over 10,000 plants. Most of them are live too, which you'll see in a minute. That's a zebra's butt. That was beautiful, don't you think? I would say they outdid themselves. It was a little bit busy for my taste, I'll admit that, but still gorgeous. And the smell in there was absolutely amazing. So fresh. If you've ever been in a true conservatory, you know what I'm saying. So right now, I'm gonna thank you for joining me for this walking tour of the conservatory at the Bellagio on the Las Vegas Strip. And once again, I'm gonna invite you to like, share, subscribe, and especially bang, hit that bell button to get notified when I do this again, which is almost every day, to be perfectly honest. And if you like sports channel, you can do that with Patreon. Get a channel membership or click on any links in the description below, especially my channel partner. Let me give you some casino views, which is Olight for the best EDC flashlight and carry gear known to man. And I look forward to seeing you again. And on that note, Bror Fredrik out.